In recent years, with our country's in-depth exploration of the field of intelligent manufacturing, Nanshan Manufacturing Shenshan High-Tech Industrial Park has also kept pace with the times. The park has high standards for the safety and stability of curtain wall hardware. Thus, 3H Building Hardware provides a high-quality top-hung curtain wall hardware system solution. Equipped with high load-bearing Hexa series friction stay, multi-point locking solution and safety device. Combined with FPM sealing strips and silicone sealants, the system ensures the stability and convenience of the entire window hardware system in daily use.